You ever wonder what would happen if the moon suddenly vanished? It turns out that our seemingly innocuous satellite has a profound effect on our planet, and its disappearance would have some serious consequences. For starters, without the moon's gravitational pull, our oceans would be in big trouble. You see, the moon's gravity is the main driver of our planet's tides. And I mean main driver. The moon's gravity pulls water from Earth's oceans towards it, forming these giant bulges on the side of our planet facing the moon. And because Earth is spinning, those bulges form distinct high tides that follow the sun and the moon as they move through the sky. Without the moon, these tides would cease to exist. Low tide would still occur because of the Earth's rotation, but they wouldn't be nearly as extreme as the high tides. Some coastal areas that are currently inundated during high tide might become permanently underwater. Others might find themselves high and dry, which could wreak havoc on marine ecosystems and the humans that depend on them. But that's far from the only way that the moon affects our planet. Its gravity also slows down Earth's rotation by about 6.1 kilometers per hour every 100 million years. That might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. In fact, the moon is currently making Earth a bit wider at the equator. If the moon suddenly vanished, Earth's rotation would speed up and our planet would start spinning faster. This would have all kinds of weird effects. For example, since the ground beneath our feet would be moving faster, objects would appear to be flung away from the poles, and Earth's gravity would shift, pulling things towards the equator. This would also disrupt weather patterns and ocean currents, causing massive storms and shifting climate zones. And Earth would continue to spin faster and faster until something eventually broke. Okay, so maybe you're relieved to know that the moon isn't going anywhere anytime soon. But what if it did vanish from our night sky? Would we even notice its absence? Turns out we definitely would. The moon is the brightest object in our night sky after the sun and the clouds, reflecting as much as 7% of the sunlight that falls on it. Without this reflected light, our nights would be a lot darker. And while that might be fun for stargazing, it would make everyday activities like driving and hiking a lot more dangerous. And with less reflected light comes less scattered light. And one of the reasons why the sky is blue during the day is because sunlight gets scattered by gas molecules in our atmosphere. With no moon, the sky would look less blue and more like the sky above deserts, which is a hazy shade of purple. So keep looking up at the moon. We may take this celestial body for granted, but it sure does make life on Earth a lot more interesting. If you want to learn more about the moon, check out the link below. And thanks for watching.